Chapter 18 Paradise Pals. A. Staring at the sky makes you connected to nature. It is truly magical to see millions of stars. Read the clues and write their names. 1. I twinkle with mischief at night. My name rhymes with far. Who am I? Answer: star. 2. You can see me at night every day. My name sounds like boon. Who am I? Answer: moon. 3. I am a star. I am big and bright. I heat the earth. Who am I? Answer: sun. 4. I am red in color and I have 2 small moons. Who am I? Answer: Mars. B. Answer these simple questions about the Paradise Pals. 1. Is the sun a star or a planet? Answer: the sun is a star. 2. Which heavenly body revolves around our earth? Answer: satellite. 3. Which planet is called the red planet? Answer: Mars. Let me answer. Do you know astronomy is the study of planets and other objects in space? Teacher's note: discuss the names of space travelers who have been to space. Introduce the astronauts like Neil Armstrong, Kalpana Chawla, and talk about their contributions. Info bits: the Earth is called the blue planet as it looks blue from outer space because of oceans and seas which cover most parts of its surface.